Hi, I'm Srileka and this is my friend V Nakshatra and we are from 7th grade Aditya Vidasham School, Pondicherry.
And today we're making a video about our project, the Smart Wheelchair.
Our project aims to address a major problem faced by physical challenged individual mobility.
Many physically challenged individuals struggle with mobility, which can greatly impact their quality of life and limit their independence.
That's why we decided to take on this challenge and develop a solution that would help physical challenged individuals regain their independence.
Our solution is the Smart Wheelchair, a voice-controlled or mobile app-controlled wheelchair that empowers physically challenged individuals to move freely and independently.
By using cutting-edge technology, we aim to make a difference and improve the lives of physical challenged individuals. The Smart Wheelchair project is built using a combination of different components.
The heart of the project is the Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller that helps us control the other components.
To control the movement of the wheelchair, we used a motor driver 1298 which is responsible for regulating the power to the gear motor.
And to enable voice control or mobile app control, we have used a Bluetooth module which allows us to connect the wheelchair to a mobile device.
The Smart Wheelchair is powered by a 12V battery which provides enough power for extended use.
And finally, we used a chat chassis to mount all the components, including the gear motors which drive the wheels of the wheelchair.
Our Smart Wheelchair project has the potential to make a real difference in the lives of physical challenged people,
Increase their independence and improve their quality of life.
So as you can see, the impact and potential of our Smart Wheelchair project is significant.
It could be a valuable tool for caregivers who can remotely control the chair and keep an eye on the user from a safe distance. Now we're going to demonstrate the working of this project. We are using this app called AA to move the wheelchair.
Now we are going to operate terminal.
When we give the command go, the wheelchair will move.
Go.
Now when we give the command stop, the wheelchair will stop. Now we are going to give the command move back and the wheelchair will move back.
Back.
Now we are going to give the command stop again.
Stop.
Now we are going to give the command go right.
Right.
We're going to give the command stop.
Stop.
We're going to give the command go left.
Left.
We're going to give stop.
Stop.
This is the working of our project. We would like to take a moment to acknowledge the contributions of all the individuals who made this project possible.
First and foremost, we would like to thank our teachers, Mr. Yogi sir and Mr. Rao sir for their guidance and support throughout the project.
Our parents have also played a significant role in supporting us and providing us with the resources we needed to complete this project.
We are grateful to the management of Aditya Vidasham Residential School for providing us with such a wonderful lab and the opportunity to participate in the Codever 2022 International Coding Competition.
Finally, we would like to thank Q-Wings India Private Limited for providing us with the technical knowledge and resources to develop our project.